Hi there, my name is Yitz Grabie of Colibri, and today I'm going to talk about cigar cutters for beginners. There are three different types of cuts. There's the V-cut, the straight cut, and the punch cut. When I first started smoking cigars, I had difficulty with the cut. Oftentimes I would use a straight cut and either cut too much or too little, which would affect the smoke. In my opinion, the best for beginners is the V-cut. The V-cut has a deep chamber and inverted blades that no matter where I place the cigar, it will always give you a consistent cut, as you can see. As I became more advanced, I used the straight cut as well. Colibri has the Quasar, we have the Quasar Punch, the SV cut. For all your Colibri accessory needs, go to SiriusCigars.com.